Hello, this is Robert with RJH Solution 6, and today we're going to look at a tool called Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. And what we're going to do is just go to Google, let's type in Ubersuggest. And this tool gives you a lot of information for free and also has really great paid services too. I'll go with the paid services in a minute. Right now, let's just type in a domain or keyword. So let's just type in a news site like USA Today. As you can see their overall organic keywords, monthly traffic, domain score, number of backlinks. This is a great tool for spying on your competitors, looking at their backlinks, traffic. It gives you SEO ranking, and just has a lot of great information. So some of the things you can do with this tool is you have Ubersuggest over here. You're going to have to sign in. And you can sign in for free. Like we can look at news keyword ideas, content ideas, which is always kind of cool. So these are just to give you some ideas for writing articles, and you can analyze traffic, you can do a site audit on your site. And this will take a little bit, so we're not going to do that right now. But as you can see, there's a lot of good things you can get out of this tool just for free. And now we'll look at some of the paid options and why this makes this tool even better. Is you do have a 7-day free trial, but you go to the pay options, you got $29 a month individual options or $49 business option. But what I like is these lifetime options, $290 for a lifetime or $490. That's only 10 months, the $29 subscription. So if you're planning on keeping this tool for a while, it'll definitely be worth going with the lifetime options. Okay. Until next time.